Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating, whether you need windshield repair, scheduled maintenance, or a tune-up. When you bring your vehicle to Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers in the products and services we provide. Visit us at www.alexandriatoyota.com to take advantage of our internet specials and start saving now. Print out money-saving service coupons. Schedule a service appointment. And when you go to a certified dealer for service, your vehicle's warranty stays intact. Call, click, or come in for more information. Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota is located at 3750 Jefferson Davis Highway in Alexandria, Virginia.